Hello, this is Michael, and welcome back to the Virtual Investor. In this video, we're going to talk about November 2024 foreclosure data. The state is courtesy here of a recent article from Attom Data. They always publish good information. And what we want to talk about today is we talked about this previous video with foreclosures, kind of like what's the funnel look like. On the front end, you got default notices, and think of it the sheriff's sale, it's stuff that actually goes to the courthouse steps, and then the bank actually took it back, the third half. And with all three of these, the default notices, scheduled auctions, and bank repos, aka REOs, there's about 29,000, almost 30,000 of these filings in November of 24. And when we start breaking it down into the different parts of the funnel, you'll have different activity. So first off, what they're measuring this month was the highest foreclosure rates, percentages are Nevada, Florida, and Connecticut in the US. And then the greatest number of foreclosure starts, that's the default notice, right? Hey, here's your 31-day late notice from the bank, et cetera, that kind of stuff. So you can see there's 20 some thousand properties in the US in November 24. It was down 3% from last month and down 10% from a year ago. This might be just seasonal slowness that you probably see this time of year. Banks not wanting to start the foreclosure process around the holidays. And then from a foreclosure completion, now if we go to the other side of the funnel, like the REOs that we talked about earlier, those completions are actually up 21% year over year. So there's over 3,000 properties that went through the REO that became REOs in November, and that's up 5% from last month and up 21% from the previous year. So that's something we're recently seeing too, a lot more REOs on the MLS and auction sites as well this time of year. So just good stats. Wanted to give a monthly update on the foreclosure filings and processes. And if you have any questions, drop them below in the chat section, and happy to answer them.